So question number 1A is about the attendance of a football match. Is 67,500 correct as the nearest hundred? So that number has been rounded off. You're being asked to think about, from the first part, what the highest possible attendance is and what the lowest possible attendance is in part 2. So I'd like to think about both of these things at the same time and write down the number 67500. This is the topic of upper and lower limits of accuracy. So generally speaking, you're going to be thinking about, if it's been rounded to the nearest 100, you're going to be thinking about 50 either side of this number, where it is rounded to the nearest 100. So obviously it's been rounded to 500. We're thinking of 67450 being the lower limit of accuracy, and the upper limit of accuracy being 675 and not 50, because that would round up to 600. So the next possible number that you could do as a human being, because they are discrete pieces of data, is 49. So the highest possible attendance would be 67549, and the lowest possible would be 67450. Question 1B, this is fairly new to the new spec GCSE. This word truncated just means chopped off, and you've got to look at the inequalities that you've got between the possible distance. This isn't what we call an error interval, so the lowest possible number would be 6.73, because there would be a 0 after here, which we don't need to write. And if we're talking about it being less than a particular number, it would be less than 6.74. Any number between those two numbers would be truncated to 2 decimal places to give you that number.